Are you looking to make some extra cash without the simple way? In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 websites that will pay you every day, often within just 24 hours. Before we get started, do me a favor and please subscribe to my channel to see more helpful videos. Okay, so let's get started with the top 10 websites to earn some quick and easy cash. These platforms are perfect for beginners, offering easy access and straightforward tasks that anyone can tackle. Whether you're seeking a side hustle or just a way to earn some quick money, you'll find the perfect fit here. Stick around as we unveil these fantastic opportunities that can help you boost your income effortlessly. Number 10, Survey Junkie. This is a user-friendly platform that allows you to earn cash by sharing your opinions through surveys. With a straightforward interface, it's perfect for beginners looking to dip their toes into online earning. Users can accumulate points for each survey completed, which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. While it offers a reliable income stream, it ranks at number 10 due to its slower payout compared to higher-ranked sites. Number 9, user testing. This is an innovative platform that pays you to provide feedback on websites and apps. By recording your thoughts as you navigate through various interfaces, you help companies improve their user experience. This site stands out for its engaging tasks and higher payouts per test compared to traditional survey sites. However, it ranks at number 9 due to the limited number of tests available, making it less consistent than higher-ranked options. While it offers a unique way to earn money, it requires more time and effort than simpler survey platforms, appealing to those seeking a more interactive experience. Number 8, Gigwalk. This is a unique platform that connects users with local gigs, allowing you to earn money by completing small tasks in your area. From taking photos of store displays to verifying product placements, Gigwalk offers a variety of engaging assignments that can be completed on your own schedule. It ranks at number 8 due to its geographical limitations. Not all areas have available gigs, which can restrict earning potential. Number 7, Freelancer. This is a versatile platform that connects freelancers with clients seeking various services, from graphic design to writing and programming. With a vast array of projects available, it allows users to bid on jobs that match their skills, making it ideal for those looking to showcase their expertise. It ranks at number 7 due to the competitive nature of bidding, which can make it challenging for beginners to secure jobs. Number 6, Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is a crowdsourcing marketplace that allows users to complete micro-tasks for payment. From data validation to content moderation, Turk offers a wide range of simple tasks that can be done at your convenience. It ranks at number 6 due to its variable pay rates, which can sometimes be low for the time invested. Turk, a solid choice for those looking to earn small amounts of money in their spare time. Number 5, TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a dynamic platform that connects users with local freelancers for various tasks, from furniture assembly to cleaning and handyman services. This app allows you to set your own rates and choose jobs that fit your skills and schedule, making it ideal for those who enjoy hands-on work. It ranks at number 5 due to its reliance on local demand, which can fluctuate significantly. While it offers higher earning potential compared to online-only platforms, higher-ranked sites provide more consistent and diverse opportunities. Number 4, Upwork. This is a leading freelance marketplace that connects skilled professionals with clients seeking a wide range of services, from writing and design to programming and marketing. With its robust platform, Upwork allows freelancers to create detailed profiles, showcase their portfolios, and bid on projects that match their expertise. It ranks at number 4 due to its competitive environment, where new freelancers may struggle to land jobs amidst established professionals. Number 3, Fiverr. This is a popular freelance platform that allows users to offer services known as gigs, starting at just $5. This unique pricing model attracts a diverse range of clients seeking everything from graphic design to voiceovers and digital marketing. Fiverr ranks at number 3 due to its user-friendly interface and the ability for freelancers to showcase their skills through customizable gig listings. While it offers a vast marketplace, higher-ranked platforms often provide more lucrative opportunities and better client relationships, making Fiverr ideal for those looking to build a portfolio and gain initial freelance experience. Number 2, Inbox Dollars. This is a rewarding platform that pays users for completing various online activities, including surveys, watching videos, and reading emails. With a straightforward sign-up process and a user-friendly interface, it's perfect for beginners looking to earn extra cash in their spare time. Inbox Dollars ranks at number 2 due to its diverse earning options and reliable payouts, often within 24 hours, making Inbox Dollars an excellent choice for casual earners seeking flexibility. Number 1. Swagbucks. This is the ultimate rewards platform that allows users to earn points, known as SB, for a variety of activities, including taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and playing games. Its versatility and user-friendly interface make it accessible for beginners and seasoned earners alike. Swagbucks ranks at number 1 due to its generous reward system, frequent promotions, and a wide range of redemption options, including cash and gift cards. Compared to Inbox Dollars, Swagbucks offers more diverse earning opportunities, making it the go-to choice for those looking to maximize their online income effortlessly. In this video, we explored the top 10 websites that will pay you every day within 24 hours, specifically designed for beginners seeking easy access to extra income. From Survey Junkie at number 10 to the versatile Swagbucks at number 1. Each platform offers unique opportunities to earn money online. We encourage you to dive deeper into these options and find the best fit for your skills and interests. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step, so take action today and start earning.